Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Key Smith working at Imagery Red Carpet Salon. What I'm showing in this video is a tutorial on a titanium color on a wig. So we'll be changing the 613 to a titanium color. So what I'm doing now is mixing that up and getting everything mixed up. It's getting a little sudsy, but that's okay because I'm doing too much rigorous figuration on it, but that's cool. After we get finished mixing it up, now I'm going to dump the wig in. This is a custom unit that I made using the Imagery Hair Collection 613 and using a frontal. So this is a frontal unit. And yeah, we're doing this. As you can see, I'm dipping it in there, making sure I get it all up in there, and trying to cover the whole head up so that we could get that titanium all the way through there. As you see, I'm dipping it in, swirling around. And this is lukewarm water that I'm using. So I use the titanium from Adore. And yep, this is what we're doing. We getting it in right now. As you see, it's getting saturated. Almost ready to pull it out. This is the finished product. I dipped it twice. I noticed that the titanium is on the ends, and it kind of made the roots be a little not titanium, but like snow capish looking. So this is the wig, and that is so I was recording and I guess it bleeped out on me, but this is the finished product of the front. My client wanted it flat ironed out. This is the other side profile of it. She wanted a part of the middle and flat ironed out.